the paper box. Now here we got two boxes. So first let's now we will open Galaxy Pegasus Silver Edition first. Let me just unbox it. As you can now see the packet in which you can also see the Midfake Galaxy Pegasus Silver Edition. Now this is the manual of this Midfake. It's only in Japanese or maybe Chinese. Now this is the sticker. Seems to be a decent quality but not that good. Now let's see the screen tray first. Let me zoom and focus it. Okay. Now you can see the tip as well. So now let's go for the main bay. Let me see. Now, you can see the baseboard. I would say the quality is good. And here you go for the energy ring. It's also a good quality, better than I would say absolutely fake Beyblades. And here is the fusion wheel, and you can see there is a gold as well as there is proper paint on it without any scratches or any other impurities. Now let's just assemble the wheel. Okay, so now as you can see the big blade is assembled properly. Now let's do a test launch. 3, 2, 1, let it trip. Um, as you can see in my trade stadium here, the pivot is moving stable. But now let's try once again, and here we go. And as same as any anime, the Galaxy Pegasus is uncontrollable, at least for the starting. Now we will using Blade King Twisted Tempo with Orion's tip bearing drive, and here are Galaxy Pegasus Midfake version. Oh yeah, they clash. Nothing special because of the stadium. Now I will purchase a stadium as well as and do a rematch again in future. So now this is just the pair and you can see it clearly. Follow for more to see more unboxing of Beyblades, and I will buy original as well.